Ka sarkar kla thmu bne dai golf course ni ke chikatit golf khrang ba kinong ile kai kinyo ile kai lat duit bat hakajuk por banwanra ya ka jingshingan ni kinong ile kai ha golfling khate gi sin jambal mat phang do mentri rang ba ka jalla ukon rat ke sangma ban kanti golfling kum ka chikatit golf bat ka jaka let kai pat ba na kaleng gi chaka.
Government is ready to give money now. Honorable Chingrap told that 50 crore is ready to part from this our finance from government to realignment of the road which is crisscrossing the golf course. But we need the cooperation of all the stakeholders. More important is the Shillong board of Shillong Club. Then it comes the Darbar Shillong, because this road are using by the people of the localities. If we don't get the cooperations of the Darbar Shillong, nothing it is possible to propose for any development or any construction within the golf course itself. Because this road has been there since immemorial. This road is not just coming up just recently. I think if I'm not mistaken, when they signed an agreement, the agreement with those side agreement this time, this is already very clearly written, this road is a public road. Until unless, if not given any alternative or any realignment for the road for the public, it cannot stop for the people to walk through or to drive through or to fly through these two roads. So
Kedau nagaliang jang government ila shim ya ka jingkit clear ek responsibility bala IT ro ka responsibility DC ben pet ya ki artli ki ek baron kam karke kawai gade ka short term measure kawai gade ka long term measure. The short term measure ka long ban ro menta sihi kan sedang no ya ka jing pengkhot beginum sya syu kay kani ka jakan long no ka free kamde syu ka littering zone kamde syu ban le kanu penjaklia ngani ka jaka. Jadi nak kata kedau nak kaliang dong DC la ai ni ka jingkit clear ban insulia ka berengkam pada kaliang jungi pada ke bengalong biting mata ban petru ya ka long term kumno ban pengkerja ni atli gi surok ke badan hapdeng jungan golf course pada ka jingit lang baga Shillong club Shillong ki members juga Shillong club bagi board of directors Shillong club namar bangidon kam ke jaka bangin yo na golf course ban penhe ya gini ki surok lemda kumta ke nomla ban sna gini alternative road dan gini jak surok de ki wepat dan ngim yo ke jaka na po ka golf course.
Kibun ki acts and rules kiba nila ban fine lingba jongki ngidon ka Environment Protection Act, ngidon ka Solid Waste Management Rules, ka Plastic Waste Management Rules, ngidon ka Meglai Police Act. Tingin siya perkhat sani ba namar ka bakongsan ka long hiba lingba ka jing dan kuna kan long ka nuksa na kabenta kiway. Knang ba kintip ba ka por bingi wan siya ka golfling let's say langi mud ban wan ra ki jing bam jongi ngin ra lapai ki pla ki bangin bread ikitu kin nyut ngin lek pai bat ngin ra iki waste ringkat bat ngi bangin numbret pathar bangin expect iki way pat pan penkhot ya kata te ya kani ngin sedang no shen bat ngi kermen ba suki kat bangidang le ya kani bat kat bangidang yo ya kani ka jing trilang jong kini ki partners jongi ki NGOs ki ba ya penkhot ki shnong ru ki ba bakli adu kata ban ya penkhot ya kani ka jaka ki pajba hi salon sar kan suthu ya ka jing don kam jong ka jing le khot ha kani ka shnong pathar jongi knang ba kani ka area baro kan long ka ba itnat om tang ha golfling ni ka social long baro ka